Namaste. Welcome to my channel Beyond Path. In today's video, we will take some boring raw data and transform it into a powerful visual appealing slide that will grab your audience attention. But before we dive into design, first thing we need to do is to understand our content on the slide. Step 1. Understanding the content. Take a close look at the elements we are working with. What's the most important information here? What should stand out? Let's take a look at our data. Just for your information, I have randomly dumped the data from Google for our video purpose. We have a title, 3 bullet point. Each point has a header followed by a subpoint. Once you have figured that out, it's easier to decide how to visualize our slide layout. Let's move to the next step. Step 2. Create a reference layout. In this step, we will create a reference layout, that is the blueprint of our slide, how we want to actually make our slide or how we want our slide to look like. First, we will have a new slide. To create a new slide, we will press Ctrl M. We'll keep the blank layout. As we analyze our content in the previous step, we know what are the things we require. We do have a title, so I will have a dummy box for the title. Then we have 3 points. The 3 points were in the row, and instead of rows, to maximize and visualize our content, I will be showing or representing our data in columns. So first I will align this box centrally. Then I will have 3 columns for each point. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. I think I have taken, no worries. I'll distribute them. After distributing, I will group them and resize as per our title size. So one box will be for the headers and one box for the content. Now my reference layout is ready. Next, I will dump the content into the dummy boxes. First the title, then the headers, just for now we'll just dump the content. I think that's extra enter at, so I will remove that. So this is our reference slide. So next we will move to our next step. Step 3, visualize. So in visualize step, we will be working on our reference slide. We'll make necessary changes on the reference layout to make it stand out and visually pleasing. First, for the title, it's the standard approach to keep the title size, font size bigger than the rest of the content, and also I'll keep the standard format for the title, that is, just keep up. I will give no fill, no line, and will give the title fill as blue. Then increase the font size of the title. I think this is sufficient. I think I will break this into 2 lines. Then next Focus will be on our header. I will increase the font size this also. And letter, our body content. Now to visualize it, I'll be using one style which I commonly use. I will increase this box's height. We'll send it to back. Give it a off-white color for the font. I will use normal black color and will change the shape to rounded rectangle. Then we'll make the edges of these boxes smoother. Even for the border outline color, I will use blue color. And next, I will give the shadow effect to these boxes just by duplicating these boxes. I have hold the control and shift button and drag to the side, and I will take it little down to give the effect this. I will give fill color. We change instead of fill color, I think this. Then I will delete the text as this side will be going behind the cell, right? It won't be visible. Then I will send these boxes behind. I will also give this gradient fill to these boxes. And take this little down. Then I will top align. I will top align this text and will leave some margin from the top so it's well aligned. I think this is enough. I think we can increase the font size. So now we have readable font size, and there's much emphasis on the headers and the sub point. And to make it more visual, we will add icons. And to add icons, we will first have a placeholder for the icon. So I will use will give white fill for this, and we'll have a gradient border. For the gradient border, I'll use blue shade. And increase the thickness. And as our headers are overlapping with the circles, we're gonna left align, then give some margin from the left to make all the text visible. We're gonna reduce the font size as it's not visible. So our body content is at 24 and this is also at 24. We'll have to reduce the see, I will increase the font size to 26 and fine. Now we will add some icons. You can get icons at in insert icons. We will add icons as per the content. For now, I'll just randomly place. After few touches, our slide is ready. Hope so you like the design. In this video, we have converted boring raw data into a creative slide. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more design tips. Let me know in the comment what type of slide you like me to transform next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.